All right, so I'm gonna remove the motor. Once again, I don't know if this works or not. It could work. But so here it is. Here's the middle motor, right? From what I can tell is there's a screw right there and a screw right there, right? I'm using 1.5, but I could probably use another size as well. Check the wire as it goes through. Just pop it out of the container, right? Here's the deal. You see this material? It's locked down by two things that requires a flathead. You do that, you're able to pull these out, and you're able to see the motor, right? And just so you know, you don't have to take out this piece. Case in point, over here, I'm gonna leave that all intact. However, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unscrew. There's 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screw. The screw up here is harder to find. I didn't even notice it was there until I try to take it out. See, so there's one there, there's one here, and you just have to wiggle it out. And once you do, you can see it all comes out together. So I'm gonna do the other side, right? And we'll take it apart, and then what we could do is we can do the opposite, which is to run the cable back, right? So that's one. There should be one right here, and then there's one right there, all right? So that's the simple approach of, oh yeah, and you also have to unplug the power cord, right? But other than that, it should be fairly straightforward to do a quick swap, right? And then let's test this out. Hopefully it all works well. Okay, finally got it out, all right? It's actually 3 screws. There's also, so there's this rubber piece, and then there's a plastic circle piece, this one. Okay, so don't lose these, right? It's just more or less, it's just to line it up with the screw, and then you lock it in place, and voila, there it is. So the only thing left, of course, is to unplug this, and then we do a swap, all right? Once again, I don't know if this works or not, but I can guarantee you this one does. So if I do the same exact thing, we should be golden. Now the slight difference between this one, right, because it was missing the front piece, and this one is tied in, right? I didn't want to bother taking this out, so I'm going to take out the whole entire plastic and just do a swap. The good news is this plastic is actually better quality, or at least better shape than this, so I think it's going to be a win. All right, so that's the only slight difference, and I'm just going to do everything in reverse and put everything. So here's the thing that I've noticed, right? The other one has a small little lever on top, and this one doesn't. I thought that was the only thing because I saw this power cord, but if you trace this all the way back to here, you'll find that there's a power cord right here that does not exist on the other one. So that's a 99, and this is a 2000. Enough difference where this is not going to work for me, but the same idea applies, right? So if you want to take apart, this is how you take it apart. It is what it is. All right.